Uy, malaki itong box na to. And I got this from Wanbo. And ito ang kanilang latest na projector, which is the Valley One. And I heard a lot of improvements dito sa kanya compared sa kanyang mga predecessor, which makes me excited na buksan to para sa inyo. So tara, samahan nyo ako, unbox muna natin to. So medyo malaki-laki ang kanyang box, no, which looks more premium than mga previous niya. Pwede siya mag-tilt out to 200 degrees. FHD display, Android 11, may autofocus na rin siya. Plus, of course, may dual band Wi-Fi na rin. Gusto ko tong quote niya, enjoy the unlimited. Lalo na tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig sa Unli, buffet, Unli. But first, buksan muna natin. Meron siyang user guide. Sikip. Meron siyang malaking styro. Ito na, nakita ko na siya. Malaki. Meron siya box dito. Andito kanyang power cable. Meron siyang filter pad. And ito ang kanyang remote control. Batteries not included. You need dalawang AAA na battery to make this work. Let's go to your favorite convenience store to buy dalawang AAA na battery, or kung meron ka rechargeable, the better. So ito na. Uy, nag-improve ka ng design, ha? This time looks very premium. May takip pa siya, oh. Dati, isang plastic lang naka-cover dito. Hihilain mo lang. Ngayon, meron pa siyang plastic cup na, which is good. By the way, smart projector na pala siya. Maganda yung kanyang stand dito. Can tilt up to 200 degrees kung anong gusto mo. Meron siya USB port, HDMI port, audio in, and meron ka rin power button dito. Andito ang kanyang vent sa likod. So, tara, testing natin. So, guys, right now, start na natin itong Wanbo Valley One. So, may ilaw tayo and will be projected to our wall. So, we'll see the Wanbo logo present. Uy, mabilis siya mag-boot up, ah. That's one improvement na napansin ko compared sa mga older generation niya. Mabilis siyang mag-boot up this time around. So, auto-calibrate na natin siya. So, kita natin, smart calibration na siya. So, just simply tuloy lang natin. No? Let's go, mag-setup lang tayo. So, yan. So, projection, please select your projection. So, papakita ko sa kanya, no, na medyo naka-angle tayo konti. No? So, bababa ko konti, no, para medyo mas, yan. I think it will be better. No? Yan. So, I think this is better. No? Yan. Good. Okay, so, na manual correct na siya. Pwede mo manual correct, pwede mo siya auto-correct. Depende siya yun, no, kung anong trip mo. So, right now, I'm roughly nasa 3 meters away from my wall, yung projector natin. So, this one can project to a bigger, no, up to around mga 160 inches. And one of the big improvement dito sa kanya is 1080p siya and 900 na kanyang ANSI. So, meaning it's bright enough even in daytime. Kita natin, no, na nagpo-project ako dito, nakapost dalawang ilaw ko, medyo bright, no. It's still good, pretty solid. Hindi ko ang manual correct na. Yeah, so for me, okay na siya, no? Yeah, so okay na ako. So din lang natin i-pair yung kanyang remote. Just press the 2 button na sinasuggest niya. Yeah, correct. Okay na. Mabilis naman siya mag-set up. Then next is, syempre, hanapin mo na yung language mo, no? Native language mo, English. Skip lang natin, no? I'll set up it manually. So, I have to connect to yung internet just to be able to stream, no? And do everything here on your Wanbo Valley One. Ayan, so meron tayong Google Assistant installed, no? Which is, pwede mong gamitin siya together with this TV. So, ayan, nakita na natin. This is nga ating home screen, no? So, makita natin na wala pang masyado laman, no, kasi kakaboot up lang din natin. So, maglo-load siya kung anong mga recommended niya para sa atin, no. There's, syempre, kung wala kang Netflix, you might need to subscribe just to be able to watch the mga suggested niya. And, yeah, it's very easy since naka-install naman natin Google Play Store, so you'll be able to search yung mga apps na gusto niyo. So, you can put Kodi into this one. You can install yung other video streaming like iQIYI, WeTV. Yan, pwede mo lagay lahat dito, no? Depende sa mga pinapanood ninyo. So, siyempre, for the very basic let's start with YouTube. So by the way guys, no, pwede mo i-angle to your desired. No, dahil this one has a 200 degrees flexible gimbal protection. No, so you can either project it to the wall or to your ceiling, depende, no. It's very, very versatile. Yun ang something na nagustuhan ko dito sa projector na yun. Papapansin nyo guys, no, na this one is being powered by the Android 11 for a smooth and smart na ecosystem experience. So, very easy to use. So, right now, since sinabi ko sa inyo na this one has a 1080p and 900 na ANSI, no? So, right now, naka-on na natin ilaw. So, makita medyo mas hindi ganun kaliwanag, no? Right now, I'll turn off the lights para mas ma-enjoy natin experience. Ayan guys, so nakita nyo, no, na better experience natin right now. So just zoom it for a little bit clearer view. Right now, nakita na natin, no, all of these mga presets. We have Netflix, we have Prime Video, YouTube Music, lahat nandyan. So subukan natin si YouTube, no. Okay, so hindi na tayo magsi-sign in. So right now, tatry lang natin yung Google Assistant. So I'll press yung button, Gadget Sidekick.
Sure, here are some videos.
Ayan, di ba? Galing, di ba? So, papakita siya yung channel ko since meron mo talaga channel, no? So, yeah. So, let's just go into my channel. Yan. So, di ba? Kita natin, no? Dito sa nakita ko, very clear.
Today guys, we'll go a little bit of a throwback. Hawak ko dito, Sony Xperia 5 Mark III. This is my first time to review a Sony Xperia phone, and I'll definitely take you for a ride. Though this is a little bit more of a throwback since 2021, pero it's still powerful enough, which can definitely beat many mid-rangers out there today. Na-intriga na? Stay with me until the end of this video. So since nabili ko tong unit na ito kay UPDB Gadgets, ang ganda 8 gigs of RAM and 100.
So yun guys, so one big improvement din na napansin ko is gumanda ang kanyang sounds. It used to be quite terrible kasi kailangan ko pa magkabit ng external speakers or Bluetooth speaker just to give me a better experience. But right now, meron siyang 12 watts na hi-fi stereo speakers giving you better sound experience, no? And meron siyang 500cc na sound chamber giving you that medyo may pagkakunting cinematic feel, na may pagka-echo feel. Yun ang napansin ko, no? Which is hindi ko to na-feel sa mga predecessor ni Valley One, which is yung mga T2 Max, yung mga luma, no? Ni Wanbo. Nahirapan ako, no, sa audio nun kasi talagang mahina lang siya and you need to spend more, no, to buy a better Bluetooth speaker just to pair with it. Hindi na ngayon. Now, one thing na napansin ko rin dito sa kanya is that dati, hindi mo kaya mag-connect sa 5G connectivity, no, sa inyong router. Kailangan mo gumamit ng 2.4G, which sometimes might cause some lags, no, which is syempre hindi natin gusto. So right now, let's just watch some shorts, no. Cat's Eye, Gnarly.
Sure, here are some videos.
They could describe everything with one single word. You know? Like Liberty, Tesla, fried chicken, party in Hollywood Hills, this song. Oh my god, that new beat. Oh my god, is this real? Oh, we're the session tonight. Gang gang. I'm going out tonight. Gang gang. Oh my god, this song's so lit. Congratulations. And you be like, gang. Gang, 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 gang.
So yung napansin natin, no, na medyo mas immersive na siya. Medyo na-impress ako sa kanyang sound na. Plus yung kanyang display looks quite better. Mas realistic na siya. Mas yung parang feel mo na masarap manood dito, no, imbis na going to the cinema just to watch your favorite movies. You might want to just pay for yung mga online streaming apps, then just project mo na dito sa bahay, giving you a better experience, no? Hindi mo kayo na may pagsiksikan, and you basically have the whole room for yourself, di ba? Another thing na gusto ko rin naman dito sa kanya is that meron na siyang lens cover, which is wala din dati, giving us a better protection sa ating lens kasi hindi natin maiwasan biglang matamaan, mabasa, or masugatan. At least pag may lens cover ka, you're assured na protected na yung lens anytime. Meron siyang cooling fan sa loob, yung kanyang noise, no, mababa lang at 28 decibel. Kahit nanonood ako dito, no, wala akong narinig. Very quiet tong Wanbo Valley 1 to my liking, no, kasi dati marinig yung parang merong fan na tumutunog, no? Pero ngayon, wala akong narinig na noise kanya. So, let's head back home. Tingnan na natin some of the settings na meron niya dito, no? Para at least familiar kayo sa kanya. So, we're going for device preference, no? So, you can set your date, your time, your keyboard. Pwede ka pala mag-pair ng Bluetooth keyboard dito, should you like. No? So, you have your display and sound, storage. No? Check lang natin storage natin, no? Internal storage, no? Hindi ganun kalakihan, no? Around mga... Yung free space natin right now is around mga 4.6 gig. So, tansya ko, this is supposed to be siguro mga 8 gig siguro naman yan. Tansya ko lang. Home screen, pwede mong kalikutin, then Google Assistant, Google Cast, and screensaver. No? Yan, you have all of the other stats dito. So, you can choose all of the different channels na pwede mo lagay sa yung home screen to make it look better. No?
The first two things we can control. The other two we can't. We got to control what's controllable. Garza knocks down the three-pointer.
For as long as they do, our talent can't get us where we need to be in this series. And this,
Frankson, excuse me, Doris. I was going to say, as a former 37-year-old, you don't want to sit on ice for 2.5 hours and go out there with those young boys moving that fast. That sounds like a nightmare.
This was some display of great team basketball. Swarming defense and selfish, aggressive offense.
Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo guys, so sobrang sarap manood ng basketball game dito on this projector. And of course, right now nasa East and West Conference Finals. So makita mo, no, talagang ang ganda i-project tong Wanbo Valley 1 to give you that better na experience while watching your favorite basketball team at home. So ayan guys, nakita na yung performance nitong Wanbo Valley 1. I would personally say na ang laki ng improvement niya over sa kanyang mga predecessor. And one thing's for sure, sobrang niyang flexible. Versatile siya to the point na pwede ka mag-angle up to 200 degrees. And yung kanyang sound is way better than yung kanyang mga predecessor. So if you're interested to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll post the link on the description box below or just simply click the product link. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.